Okay.
Hi, elephant.
Young boy.
You don't. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. No, he's gonna run over here.
No.
Can you start the car, please? This guy's gonna
He
kill
knows
me.
what he's doing, Dad. Hello.
Young boy.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Trying
she's.
to show off.
Wasn't there a big one behind there
Strong
too?
he is. Sorry?
We're strong. We're not
Wasn't there a
messing with you,
third
buddy.
one? Oh yeah, he's
the
behind the
third one,
tree.
The mother, the female.
Okay.
Look at him.
Yeah. Dude, he's not gonna run for the car or something, is he? Here.
No.
Just taking
Kind
pictures.
of trying to.
Look at his husks. They're so
relax,
tiny.
but,
Yeah, he's working. He's scaring me.
Wow,
So
beautiful.
So this is like a family, one family, a mother and his two babies. This
the
is
mother's
the first
on
one, and the second one in the middle,
Little one.
the little ones. Yeah, so that's why.
Oh, he's young. Oh, he's eating.
These are the one who are pushing down these trees. Yeah. As you can see, they're pushing
Oh.
down the tree and they.
Oh yeah,
eat
they
the
push
leaves.
it so they can reach the
Yeah, they
leaves.
can eat the leaves of the tree from the tree, and sometimes they eat the bark.
Oh,
Like
they eat the
debug
back of
tree.
it.
Yeah, they debug the tree, and they eat the bark, chew the bark.
Got a
Beautiful
baby.
animals.
Mhm.
Yeah, we see you, buddy. We see you. I don't. Yeah. Wow. We're just
Not
taking
enemy.
pictures.
We're not
Just taking
hurting.
pictures.
We're
Not
not
enemy.
hurting you. Look at that.
Jesus.
And that's a
It's so
young
close to
one.
me.
Yeah, this is a young. You see,
I was like, okay, I'll
their
see
mothers are just a continue feeding. They know we are not enemies, so that's why she's not reacting.
That's why she's not worried.
Yes.
I love how
But
he
for
picks
this
up
boy,
food.
He's
He's
just
a little
Yeah.
worked up.
playing.
he's little, and so he wants to show himself that
That he's a big
man.
man.
He's a man. Who are you?
He's more of a man than I am, I tell
Oh,
you
here
that.
comes a
Let's
little
go around,
baby.
but on that other side, so we can.
Look at him backing up.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Oh, mom's pissed. All right. Can we go? No, pilots.
It's okay. Yes,
Yeah.
I am. I have it on video.
Okay,
Wow.
mom's pissed. Oh, come on, don't turn off the car.
Don't
They don't want the
worry.
noise. They don't want the noise.
I don't want them to kill us.
Start quickly. And if I see them
They don't
reacting, I know the signs. These
Yeah.
are the one of the signs, but this is.
That's one of the
It is one of the signs.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
is this a sign?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a sign. Let's go.
Look at him. That's so
big.
amazing.
I know the sign. If they start reacting, they raise up the trunk and trumpeting and following the car by the first time, the second time, the third time you come really.
The third
So
time
we
they
kn-
kill
yeah,
you,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, they come and start chasing the car, so we know those signs. So don't worry about it. The baby is trying to now. You know the young boy is trying to protect him.
Yes.
Maybe his sister or brother. Yes. That's why he's like getting angry.
Wow, they're so big.
Yeah.
See, they're not
They
worried.
weigh, the female they weigh up to 550 kilo, and the male weigh up to 7 tons sometimes.
7 tons. Look at the giraffe over here too.
Mhm.
Did you see him, sweetie? Giraffe's like, what's
Oh
going on?
yeah.
And the gestation period is 22 months.
He's like,
And
can
the
I
baby
do
once
this?
the baby once they born, it's 110 kilos.
110 kilos
Yes.
just when they're born?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
like a 220 or 240 pounds.
So the father doesn't stick around?
No, the males are solitary. You can find themselves sometimes.
Okay.
They hang around until the female become in the heat. So that's the time they can
Look
start
at the little
following them.
baby.
Jesus.
Come on over here, baby. Or that will get your mommy upset. Wow.
Look at the giraffe, like just sort of wondering what's going on. You see him?
Yeah.
It's like, what?
The baby. Here comes the baby.
What's the noise for?
Hi, baby. He's smelling us.
Yeah, you see they
Is that why he's
raise
lifting up
yeah,
his tongue?
raising up the trunk. And for the these guys, they don't like noises of the engine,
Right,
the
sure.
fume from the
Oh.
cars. So that's why you can see the trumpet is always all the time is up. Trying to
I like this giraffe just so
He's
like,
still
what's going
there.
on
He
over
hasn't
there?
moved.
That's a female giraffe.
Female?
Yeah.
Just sort of
Wow.
watching to see what's up. God, they're such amazing animals.
Hey, Giraffe, he's just chewing away.
Yeah, chewing the cards. Okie-dokie.
Wow.
Thank
That's
you,
just
Ellen.
amazing.
Thank you.
Elephant.
Bye, elephant.
Thank you for the
Bye-bye.
photographs. So now they're coming
See,
out.
they get angry.
Okay.
Okay.
What a noise too, huh? Oh my picture.